Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to see what the top people contributed to the total sales across supervisors. So let's see, should we do top one or top three? I think we should do top three. Let's do top three. So for that, we are going to do a new measure. So this measure will show the ranking. So the top, to pick the top from the ranking. So to pick the top people, there's a DAX function we call TopN. Yeah, so we are going to use TopN. So let's quickly get into that. Say loan sales or loan value top one salesperson. So that is top one salesperson across supervisors. That will be VAR top. So let's do top three. I think we should do top three. VAR top three equal to top N. What is the N value? 3, because I want top 3. So all customer salesperson okay, so I'll just look for salesperson. So I'm doing my loan salesperson. I want to look at my loan sales. That is loan value per top 3 salesperson. So that's just what this gives me. So again, I also need to look at I need to now filter it, yeah, to suit per supervisor. So to do that, I'll put another variable. I'll call var loan value top 3. That will be equal to, okay, let me put the top so it's clear. Top 3. That will be equal to calculate loan value, comma. I'll now bring in my top 3 variable that I just created. So top 3. Now close the bracket. So return, or instead of calling this top 3, I can just call it var outcome. So this is what I want it to. The outcome, the top 3. So I'll do return. Oh, sorry. Supposed to be enter. Return, shift enter. Outcome. Okay. Can now enter. So the name of that measure is what? So I'm still going to organize these measures later. So let me see top 3. Okay. That is it. I'm going to put this on the metrics table. So this is the value that the top 3 is top 3 people across supervisor is contributing to sale. So now I'll now view by supervisor. There's customer. So for each supervisor, you can see what the top 3 salesperson are contributing. What if I change it to top 1? Let's say for instance, so top one. Make this top one. Let's see, does it change? Of course. So it changes the value. This is top one per salesperson. So this is, let's see this for instance. Who is our first supervisor here? Let's just use that to check. So just to show that, so Ali Monsuru, the first person there is 23,939. Let's see Ali Monsuru here. So 23,939. See, it works perfectly. So another thing to do is just to see the percentage contribution of these top salespeople to the total sales. That is the next thing. So that is to the total sales. Total sales. So that will be say top 3 sales to total. So this is a ratio. We'll call up our major top. So this really top one, so we'll change it to top 3 later again, divided by loan value. So that will be total loan value. So this is just another way of doing divide. That'll give us a ratio. Okay, let me adjust this. Oh no, I didn't put the right value. Okay, oh wow. So top 3. So this is the ratio. Let me put the value in there. Yeah. Okay. You can see nicely. This is the value, this is the ratio. So I can sort from highest to lowest. So really the top, this guy in his team, the top is the top person in his team. So he contributed 12.4% to his own team. So this guy contributed 11.4% to the total sales of his own team, while the total contributed by all the top 1 people is 1.7% of the whole net sales. So this is top 1. So let's change it to top 3. So what we initially wanted to do. Top 3. That top 1 is just to verify our data, if our formula is really correct. So this is what the top 3 contributed to their individual team and to the total. So that will be all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.